The Bona Commercial System delivers beautiful, residue-free solutions for hardwood and hard surface floors, specifically for the unique needs of cleaning professionals. It's simple, safe, efficient, and effective. The Bona Commercial System is a premium-grade product offering developed to give cleaning professionals the specifically designed care that their hardwood and hard surface floors demand. From professional-grade, residue-free solutions for hardwood and hard surface floors, to a highly durable mop and reusable microfiber dry and wet pads, the Bona Commercial System is the only system you need to keep your crews productive and your clients satisfied. Here's how the system works in action. To begin, Bona provides a quick connect knuckle that makes it easy to connect to the sturdy aluminum 24-inch mop base, one of the largest available in commercial cleaning. Use the press and lock button to adjust the length of the pole into one of 4 positions to accommodate every member of your team and for easy transport from job to job. But what truly sets the Bona mop system apart is its revolutionary flared edge design. More rigid, more durable, able to stand up to multiple daily uses and take on the toughest cleaning challenges. Bona microfiber pads for dusting and cleaning are specially designed and patented by Bona to provide maximum dust pickup and cleaning power. Both are washable up to 300 times. Bona's hardwood and hard surface floor cleaners are available in both concentrate and ready-to-use solutions. For accurate concentrate mixing, Bona provides a tilt and measure bottle to quickly and accurately measure the 1 to 32 amount for easy mixing and pouring. Formulated for hardwood floors, the cleaner will safely remove ice melt salt and won't leave any residue on the floor. The hard surface floor cleaner utilizes a professional-grade formula and is safe for use on all hard surface floors. Once everything is assembled, you're ready to begin. Dry dusting is the first step in cleaning the floors. Simply attach the green Bona microfiber dry dusting pad to the mop base, being sure to press along the flared edge for full adhesion to the Velcro. It is simple to adjust the locking nut to make the mop swivel and maneuver around furniture, or fix it in place for long runs and hallways. With Bona's unique design, your cleaning stroke always leads with the flared edge going with the wood grain, enabling the high and low fibers to effectively clean even undulating wood and hard surface flooring. The extra long dusting pads can easily be flipped up to clean baseboards without the danger of scratching the walls. After dusting, you're ready for the Bona Premium Hardwood or Hard Surface Floor Cleaner and Blue Microfiber Wet Cleaning Pad Combo. Adjust the nozzle to the mist setting and apply the cleaner evenly across the pad. You can set the nozzle to stream and apply more cleaner directly to the floor as needed. Maneuver back and forth with the microfiber cleaning pad, once again leading along the wood grain and with the flared edge facing forward, which ensures a professional result every time. With the Bona Commercial System at your disposal, it's not difficult to keep your customers happy and all of their hardwood and hard surface floors looking beautiful. After all you need is a system, the Bona Commercial System.